Hootsuite's what's called a social media management platform. So what it does is it allows users to schedule, post updates and analyse results of social media on any social media page or profile all in one place. So for example, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. So instead of having to log into each social media network and manage them all separately, you have one tool called Hootsuite that allows you to manage it in one place. And there are other tools, but we chose Hootsuite because it's the one that we use, and also it's the biggest and the most well-known tool. As I said, you can use a free version or a paid-for version of Hootsuite, and the paid-for version has more options and functionality. So think about what you want to do with your social media management tool, and then that will help you to decide if you want to have the free one or pay for it. So what sort of things can you do with Hootsuite? So as I said, what it allows you to do is to track your current and scheduled social media posts all in one place with one login, and manage and coordinate all your social media activities in one place, and also plan and schedule in advance. You can also track through Hootsuite social media events, trends, activities that you might want to comment on or engage with. So you can add search streams such as hashtags, locations, or keywords. You can enhance your customer service. So if you have a lot of people now contacting you through social media, and that is an increasing trend that people either make comments or ask questions or complain through social media, it's a good way to track what people are saying instead of having to log on to each social media tool and see if you've had any questions or comments. And also, if you want an easy way to report on what results your social media activity is achieving, then through Hootsuite you get easy access to social media analytics in one place. So what do you get with the free version of Hootsuite? One of the important things to realise with the free version is you can only have one user. So it's fine if you're a very small organisation that only has one person doing your social media, but it's not so good if you have more than one person managing your social media. The other thing in the free version is you can add up to 3 social networks. So that might be, say, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So you can only have up to 3. You can promote posts using your paid advertising budget, but only $100 a month. And if you're interested in advertising, we did a webinar last month that talked about Facebook advertising. So I wouldn't worry about using the Hootsuite advertising unless you're actually using Facebook or Twitter advertising. And you have an online help centre that you can access through the Hootsuite free version. So here's a bit of more detail about the differences between the free plan and the paid for plan. And as I said, we'll show you later in the webinar how to apply for your charity discount. You can get 50% off. So as I said, in the free version, 3 social profiles. The other thing is you can only schedule in advance up to 30 messages at once. So say, for example, you're using Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, you could schedule 10 posts for each in advance, but you couldn't then schedule another one until one of those messages had been posted. And as I said, you can only have one user. But if you look at some of the paid for, you can have up to 10 social profiles, for example, on the professional, but still only one user. So the one that the Good Exchange has is this one. So it's the team profile. We pay £50 a month because we get it half price, but we can have 20 social profiles and 3 people managing it. So the other things that you can have with the free version, you have access to the publishing calendar, but you don't have access to, for example, bulk scheduling. So be able to schedule bulk messages and posts at once. You also don't have access to the social inbox. So what we've done in this webinar is separate out, showing you the things you can have in the free plan and how to use them, and the things that you can have in the paid for plans, and that comes at the end of the webinar.